use of every day and all day. When we will use every day and all day. So every day means what? On all days. Every day means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It means every day. It's under include all the day individual. One. Example, let's see. How often do you read a newspaper? So answer come by B, every day. It means every day, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, this way. Second example, Bill watches TV for about 2 hours every evening. It means here every evening means all evenings. Okay. Sunday evenings, Monday evenings, Tuesday evenings, Wednesday evenings, Thursday evenings, Friday evenings, and Saturday evenings. So we can use these terms also for every morning, every night, every summer, every winter, etc. Okay. So what is the thing which we need to note down? So if we will use this word how often, so we will get the answer of any question. If we will ask this question from that, how often Bill watches TV? So it will answer will come every evening. Okay. Now the second, all day. So all day means what? The complete day. It's under what? Starting of the day, end of the day. It means like one Monday. Okay. But Monday unders from morning till night. All day means what? Whole day, complete day. Examples, the weather was bad yesterday. It rained all day. It means what is the when we will see this example, what is the thing that we have noticed down here? That all day means what? Suppose the weather is in Monday. If I am giving here Monday, so on yesterday Monday, whole day from morning to till night, raining is happening. So only one day. An example, I was tired after work yesterday, so I watched TV all evening. It means what? The complete evening. Suppose that is Monday, and Monday under that evening. So I waste and maybe I invest my time by watching TV on that day or that day under only evening, whole evening. It is also used for all morning, all night, all summer, all winter, etc. I can put here etc also. The thing which we note down here also, that is to know the answer regarding all day, what the thing we need to use here, how long. Use this word to know the answer. Okay, we need to put here all day. Suppose the weather was bad yesterday, it rained, so what do we need to ask here? How long it rained? So answer will come all day. How long I watched TV? So answer will come all evening. So that is the thing through which we will easily identify where we need to use all day and where we need to use every day. When we want to know about every day, so every day we will use where, how often. We need to ask this question from that sentence, how often, with every day. Okay, with every day. But when we use all day, so what is the question we need to ask from any sentence? That is how long. That is how long. So that is the biggest differences between when we use the verb all day and every day.